Let's interpret the domain type of real-world functions. Problem number 3. Step 1. Read the context carefully. Annabelle buys hand sanitizer in packs of 3 for $10 each. So if she buys 1 pack of 3, she has 3 hand sanitizers, and that costs $10. If she buys 2 packs of 3, she has 6 hand sanitizers, and that costs $20. The shipping cost is $5 regardless of how many packs are bought. Annabelle can spend up to $100. If N is the number of packs of sanitizer bought, then the cost of sanitizer, capital C, can be modeled as a function of N, the number of packs. Select the statement that best describes the domain of the function. Step 2. Determine the type of domain for the function. To determine the domain, let's think about the real-world context. Annabelle can first buy 1 pack of hand sanitizers, and that would cost $10. Annabelle cannot buy 10 packs of hand sanitizers because that would cost $100, leaving her no money to spend on shipping. So, Annabelle can buy at most 9 packs because she only has $95 to spend on packs. Now let's think about the non-whole numbers in between. In between 1 and 9, Annabelle can only buy packs in amounts that are whole numbers: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For example, she cannot buy 1.5 packs. So the domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and no numbers in between, only these whole numbers. Let's read our answer options and select the correct option. A. The domain is the set of all real numbers between 1 and 10. Well, this will not work for 2 reasons. First of all, real numbers include all the decimals in between, and we know that it can't be all the decimals, and we also know that it can't be 10 because 10 is not allowed as the highest amount. To buy 10 packs would cost $105. So A is not correct. B. The domain is a set of all real numbers between 1 and 9. And once again, this is not our answer because 1.5 is a real number and we cannot buy 1.5 packs. So we know that the domain is a set of integers. Option C. The domain is the set of all integers from 1 to 10. Well, integers means that we are only counting the whole numbers between 1 and through 10, so C is not correct because 10 is not allowed. The answer is D. The domain is the set of all integers from 1 through 9. How did we determine the type of domain? We determined the type of domain by using the real-world context to think about what's the least Annabelle could buy, what was the most that she could buy, and evaluating the numbers that are all in between, whether or not it is possible to buy only whole number amounts, or if we can use any decimal amount that would suggest that the answer would have been one of the all real numbers option. You are now ready to select the correct statement to describe the domain for problem number 4.